Hello everyone, this is a brief video on how to use Serigy, a clipboard pinning tool. It's common to think of the app as a type of clipboard manager, but that's exactly what it's not, since the user has to choose what will be pinned. The first important thing is to create your shortcuts to call the application. This is essential for the app to function correctly. Please read the initial setup of the app, it's important for you to understand why. Open the GNOME settings, go to Keyboard, and create a custom shortcut. For the name, put whatever is convenient for you. I put pink clipboard. The command is this one. And the shortcut is Ctrl Super C. Optionally, you can also create one to open it. I create one with the name Open Serigy with this command. And the shortcut Ctrl Super V. Serigy supports text and images. All you need to do is copy the text and then use the shortcut you choose to pin the information from the clipboard. The same goes for images. It's important to emphasize that this app is not a clipboard manager. I created it to solve a personal problem. I needed to copy several things at once to paste elsewhere. But also, I didn't want a program constantly monitoring everything I copy. Well, this was the solution that works for me, and I hope it works for you.